This brand new 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom is the true definition of modern, luxurious build.
This is a colonial, but it's all modern. So it's the classic layout that we've been talking about and loving so much, but it's all brand new. You have a beautiful custom kitchen with a grand island that's, I think, 12 feet, beautiful countertops, and everything is completely high-end.
And one of my favorite parts of any kitchen is a pot filler. Never have to carry those heavy pots with water from the sink to the stove ever again.
Amazing. And this home actually is 4 levels. So you have a basement, you have 2 levels above for your bedrooms. It is plenty of space for a huge family.
It's walking distance to all the schools, which is so important in Westville, to be able to walk to elementary school, the middle school, and the high school, so you don't have to be your child's carpool.
This street actually does have sidewalks, and a lot of people do walk on this street, but also you have a beautiful backyard that you could play in and a detached garage to store your things or put your car in.
Let's go on a tour.